Yes, people, what are you saying? Sides versus Mr. Beast. I'm here with the man them today, and we're gonna find out which one's bang. Let's go! Obviously, we got the lounge and that, bare decorations and them things there. Food, options, but we ain't here for the options. What are we here for?
Sidemen's sides.
I feel like we needed a tray for the sauces. Loaded chicken. It's very juicy. I did wish there was more sauce in it. Lekker chicken. And waffle fries.
Don't get used to this service.
Crunchy. That's what you like in your fries.
Mozzarella dippers. It's full of pot test. They're nice, bro. They're nice. Have the mac and cheese bites. Try them.
What, are they good?
Yeah.
Yo, try these mac and cheese bites. They're the ones.
I like my jalapeno cheese bites. I think we're going for a common theme of our presentation here, where it's just looking a bit knackered. Sorry.
Man said he's trying to resuscitate the burger, bro.
Even off the first bite, man, I get it again, you know. I thought I was gonna be upset from the look of the burger. Right now, I'm happy.
Obviously, man's trying to be healthy and green, so man went for the vegan thing. Bunda sitting on this burger. If the sauce went in there, this burger needs to go to the cemetery, cuz.
What am I saying overall? If I'm in the area, I'll get it again. But you see the dips, that's what makes everything just connect. They should have called it dips.
I say boycott the mac and cheese bite. That's my personal opinion. It's very subjective.
Just keep it plain. Don't go for the loaded stuff. You get a load of nothing.
Can't like Tesco, McCann's waffle fries, you get a couple jalapenos and that. You can make like 20 portions.
I thought it was good, but the only thing, vegan burger, go to bed.
It's time
For beast burgers.
Double patty, yeah, going in. We're giving you the full extensive review. Obviously, man's just come through. That was the worst acting ever. It's obviously arrived before, but I just thought, try and do it for the movies, innit? Ooh! Are you even? Look at the crustacean, look.
Look at the crustacean.
Are you like, look,
What's that, smash patty?
That's a smash patty.
Smash patty gets...
The cheese is nice, it's gooey. You got the crunchy exteriors.
What's the breadstick? What's the breadstick?
Bread, I can't, it's alright. It's like a McDonald's burger bread. Beast burger, flavors, bro. Are you mad?
So a little
Same
crispy
presentation.
chicken.
Presentation.
You get that, bro?
Oh my god, they're tenders from the same supplier.
Ooh.
Here we go. I like it. There's a crunchiness to the chicken. The mayo is different.
This smells like it came off the grill a minute ago.
Four unravel. Oh, that's looking hella meaty, cuz. What?
Hey Chandler, I'm liking your style, cuz.
Because you can't go on.
Even the spiders come through.
Save.
Yes, well done, Jeffrey.
Save my guy, yes. Listen, first of all, present solution. This is slaying right now, bro. Look at that. Look at the succulence. Look at the juiciness. Look at the amazingness. Look at the tenderness. Look at the scrumptiousness. No, that is good. Not overpowered by the sauce, even though it looks like there's a lot of sauce. Chicken is really crispy on the outside, real tender on the inside. Good amount of spice to it, so a little bit of kick. Overall, sick burger, man. I want to get this one again.
Oh, that's good.
It's alright.
Might need a bit of salt. Tastes quite good, to be fair.
Tried to season it enough, but you didn't need salt. You need a little dip.
Oh,
That's
see.
fine.
A little teriyaki.
What's the review? No, I want you to tell me now.
That's alright. Yeah, I can't lie. McCain's chips, straight from the oven.
You need salt when you season stuff.
I ain't gonna say too much on it. I'll be honest. It looks a bit nuts. It looks a bit nuts, brother. It's a cube. Can't. I don't really know what the pickles are doing there still.
You're eating it though, so I feel like you like it, bro.
like-
You're like, yeah, this is car.
Yeah, but bro, like,
But your face is like,
man's also had school dinners and
Bro, why are there lumps in the mustard? Is that what Dijon is about? Yeah, that's what you man are on. Overall, I feel like there were more things for me to enjoy from sides, so I'm gonna go with sides.
So 1 point to the sides, yeah? Okay, D, out of the two of sides versus Mr. Beast, what are you eating?
sides.
Sides?
Yeah.
2-0 to sides, you know?
Maybe they need to do a collaboration thing. Get me, Sidemen, Mr. Beast, check for one another.
Mr. Side.
Mr. Side.
Mr. Sides. That'll be it, bro. I should get paid for that if you got to take that.
I have to go with sides, man.
Well, everyone. Okay, alright.
I'm sorry.
Do you know what? Alright, so look, obviously, by my slight reactions, I did prefer Mr. Beast.
You're trying to get in the next Mr. Beast video.
Mr. Beast, listen, my guy, shout me in it. Obviously, this is the first video, so let me know what you guys liked, what you didn't like. If there's any other places you lot want us to visit, comment down below. If you want to see more, just subscribe, turn on the notification, and we'll see you lot on the next episode of Snacking with the Man Them.